Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Just now I released a video in Tamil about Bank Nifty indices and Bank Nifty options trading using our MST iCore 2.0 in tradingview.com. Now let me show you what has happened in Nifty indices. See here, previous day, that is on 12th September, we got buy entry activated, first target hit here, first target hit here. Once again it has come down to our support zone, then we have got very good profit. And on Friday, and we know our entry 25,300 call option or 25,200 call option, otherwise 25,400 call option, whichever you want, that you can take. Now I have taken the example of 25,100. Okay, that is the in the money. 25,100 is the in the money. If we see that first buy activated, first target hit, second target hit, and third target also accurately hit. If you want me to change, I can change 25,300. That also you see perfectly, it has come down to low entry to 131.15. and our entry is 131. So perfectly we got our buy entry activated and all the three targets hit. This one is 300, no? If I will change to 25,200 option, 25,200 call option, and here also 184.62 means 185 is our entry, and the low made at 9:30 a.m. is 185.20. So immediately target hit, all the three targets hit in our Nifty options also. If you don't get 1 or 2 points, don't worry, in the next low whatever it comes, there you can take, and immediately you can extend the target also for the few points you have missed up. So if you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you all. Thank you all. Wish you a happy profitable day ahead. There is some disturbance outside my office, so I am just closing the video. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.